Hello, awesome students. This is your teacher Preeti Rawat. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, we will going to learn the chapter number 2, Computer and its Parts. Here are some of the things which we are going to cover in this class. These are input devices of a computer, output devices of a computer, CPU and storage devices of a computer. Input devices, CPU, output devices and storage devices. These are all computer parts. These are the hardware parts of a computer which you can touch and use. So now input devices. The devices which are used to give instructions to the computer are called input devices. Whatever devices are used to enter letter, picture, text, sound into a computer are called input devices. Some most common input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone. Now we will learn about these input devices in detail. Keyboard. It is a typing device. It is used to type alphabet, letters, numbers and special symbols. A keyboard can be joined to a computer using a wire, but it can be also a wireless. Many buttons are there which are called keys. Now in this picture you can see there are some keys which are highlighted with different colors. Every key has a different function in a keyboard. Mouse. It is a pointing device. It has 2 or 3 buttons. It is used to point, move and select any item on the computer. It is called pointing device because you can move the mouse, then its pointer on the screen also moves. Here you can see a parts of a mouse: left button, right button, scroll wheel, mouse wire. Scanner. It is used to input photos or text images from a paper into the computer. Microphone. It is used to input sound into a computer. We can record our voice using a microphone into the computer. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It stores all information which is fed by you. It controls all parts of the computer. Computer will not start without CPU. CPU just looks like a box. Output devices. Now we will learn about some output devices in detail. Output devices. The devices which are used to display information to the user are called output devices. Some most common output devices: monitor, printer, speaker and so on. Now we will learn more about monitor, printer and speaker in detail. Monitor. It looks like a television as you can see in this picture. It shows us everything we type on the computer. It is also called VDU, Visual Display Unit, printer. It is used to print the output or information on the paper. It prints black and white as well as color photos or text. Speakers. These are used to listen to the sound from the computer. You can listen any music or any video from a computer. Storage devices. The devices which are used to save the result or information taken from computer are called storage devices. Now we will learn about the storage devices in detail. Some common storage devices: hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD. Now we will learn more about these devices in next slides. Hard disk. It is the main storage device and it is placed inside the CPU. It stores large amount of information. CD-ROM. It is a circular disk used to store information outside the computer. Pen drive. It is a portable device that carries information outside the computer. If you want to take any information or any picture, any image, any audio video from your computer to somewhere, so in that case you will use pen drive.